Today we'll talk about provisions. We'll actually have some fun with provisions. There are so many different kinds. Lemon, peas, bananas, cabbage, dasheen, carrot, cherries, cucumber, lettuce, avocado, cauliflower, pear, guava, turnip, mango, orange, tamarind, peppers, pumpkin, pineapple. Now these are just some examples of the many fruits and vegetables that you might come across if you were to take a trip down to the market. Now let's have some fun. Think of a fruit or vegetable, of those I just mentioned, whose name has 4 letters. That's where we'll start. If you can think of one that has 4 letters, I'll give you some clues and we'll take it from there. Now then, this vegetable begins with the letter P and there are 4 letters. Ends with an S. What do you think it is? We talked about it. That's right, it's peas. Very good. Is there another example? There might be a fruit which starts with the letter P and ends with the letter R with 4 letters. What was that one? That's right, it's a pear. Let's try something a little more difficult. Let's select a fruit or a vegetable that has 5 letters. This one starts with a G and ends with an A. It's a fruit that's green when it's green and it turns yellow when it's ripe, with lots of little seeds. Aha, you got it. It's a guava. 5 letters in the word guava. G-U-A-V-A. 5 letters, guava. Is there another one? There actually is, and we talked about it as well. It starts with an M and ends with an O. Aha, that's a mango. That's M-A-N-G-O, mango. You're doing so well, so we'll make it harder. Let's try and find a fruit or vegetable with 6 letters. Okay, do you need a clue for this one? Okay, this one begins with an O and ends with an E. That's orange. It's a fruit and a color actually. Very good. So that's O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, 6 letters. Let's try and find one that has 7 letters. And we talked about it this morning. All right, let's try. You need a hint? Okay, starts with the letter P. And there are 2 P's almost in the middle, and it ends with the letter S. Aha, you got it. Peppers. Very good. 7 letters, vegetable, peppers. P-E-P-P-E-R-S, peppers. And there's another example somewhere, bananas. Bananas. That's B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas, 7 letters, and that's a fruit. Let's make this even more difficult. Let's try and find a fruit or vegetable with 8 letters. Do you think you can manage that? Do you think so? Let's try for one. We talked about it. It starts with a T. It ends with a D. That's T and ends with a D. Can you remember? Ah, that's a tamarind. Let's spell it together. That's T-A-M-A-R-I-N and D. That spells tamarind. That's 8 letters. Well, I'm afraid we're out of time. That's all for today.